If you don't do this, your books won't sell. Reviews can make or break your book's success. If you just published a book, you need to get reviews right now. In fact, you should have planned on getting reviews before you published the book. In this video, I'm going to show you the best platform that I found to start getting reviews for your Amazon KDP books. So stay until the end of this video because I am going to show you how to sign up for Gemsy, how to get reviews, and why it is the best platform for getting book reviews and getting your books sold. Welcome back, and if you're new to my channel, my name is Gabrielle, and I earn passive income from home. I'm a mom of 2 beautiful children, and thanks to my passive income, I can enjoy more time and freedom with my family. I am a self-published author. It is incredible that I can say that now. I have published several books on Amazon KDP, and I'm sure that you are on this path too. Reviews are very important because it establishes trust for the buyer. Without reviews, many people will hesitate to buy. To get your book to start selling on Amazon KDP and to keep it in good ranking, it needs to sell. And something very important for it to sell is that you have to get at least 10 reviews within the first 30 days that your book is published. And yes, it has been my experience before that sometimes it may take months to get one single review. My first books were not selling, and getting reviews was a nightmare. I just could not get reviews on those books. Even though I had some people that purchased them after a few months, I must say. Getting reviews takes months if you're doing it organically. The amount of people that submit reviews on Amazon KDP are very few, even if you have a really good book. But now, thanks to Gemsy, you can get reviews even in your low-content books, which other platforms don't offer. I discovered that most platforms out there do not allow you or don't offer the service of getting reviews for low-content books like notebooks and journals. In my case, I created a journal and several notebooks. I just could not get a review for months. But luckily, when I created my high-content book and started looking for options to get reviews again, the solution literally fell on my lap. After publishing my Amazon KDP videos, Gemsy contacted me and offered me their service. So I checked it out, and it's working really well. I am getting reviews very easily and really fast. And no, don't worry, this doesn't violate Amazon KDP's policies because you are not submitting a review for a review. Gemsy has an algorithm in which every time that you receive a review or submit a review for someone else, it makes sure that it is not a review for a review. So basically, it's not the same person that's reviewing your book, and that will never happen. So I am very satisfied with their service, and thanks to those reviews, my book has stayed ranked, which I accomplished by keyword research and using ads for 2 weeks. I am no longer using ads, and I talk about this in this video if you want to check it out. It's been over a month since I stopped running ads. Thanks to Gemsy, I've been able to get multiple reviews for my book, and my book is ranking even better. It's not only in the first page of Amazon KDP for the term that I wanted, but it is also in the second spot of that page, which is amazing. And of course, my sales are increasing every day more and more. So reviews are essential not only to get sales, but to increase the visibility of your book on Amazon. Gemsy is a platform designed specifically to get self-published authors to get reviews quickly, safely, and reliably. I want to show you how to do this step by step, so let's jump right into it. These are the steps that you need to follow to get started on Gemsy. So here's Gemsy. Gemsy works through a gems system. That's why it's called Gemsy. You get a certain amount of gems every time that you submit a review for somebody else, and you give away certain amount of gems when somebody takes your book for review. It works really easy in just 3 steps. You add your book, You collect gems by reviewing other authors' books, and it usually says in each book how many gems you will receive. And the step 3 is get book reviews. With those gems that you earned, you will be able to get reviews for yourself too. It's very easy to earn gems. First thing that you need to do is you need to sign up. It gives you the option to try it for free. So I'm going to press that. You can register, start your free trial, and you can cancel anytime. You have 7 free days to try it and see if you like it and get at least 1 or 2 reviews during that week. And the pricing is very reasonable. If you use the link in the description and my coupon code, you will get a 30% lifetime discount. So not only do you get the discount on the first month, but you get it from now on. Same thing with the yearly plan. You get a 30% discount from now on as long as you stay subscribed. But I already have an account, so I'm just going to log in. And once inside, you can see the amount of gems that you have, and you can add a book here. Here is the books that you have added for review, the library, the books that you're reviewing. The next step is that you provide your book to Gemsy, whether through a PDF or providing the link. Let's start by adding a book. You have to provide the title, the author, and the ASIN of your book. And then you just follow the steps. They are pretty easy to understand, so I'm not going to go through them. You can provide the paperback link, the hardcover link, or the Kindle link. I recommend that you provide the Kindle link so that when the reviewer goes in to see your book, they find the low price book right away. Step 2 is reviewing other books to earn gems. It's very easy to submit reviews for others. In the library, you can see all the books that are available for your review. And like I mentioned, these books are authors that won't be reviewing your books to avoid violating Amazon KDP's rules. I really like that you can choose which book to review and that there is not a book assigned to you randomly. That happens in other review platforms, and I truly dislike that because the possibility of getting a bad book is higher. Unlike other platforms, if you choose a book that you decide you don't want to review because it's bad, you can absolutely reject that book. I've only had one book that I put back on the shelf because I really didn't like it and I didn't want to give it a 1 star. I usually know right away if the book is good, even by just browsing it. Of course, I do read several of the pages. If the book is really long and I'm really busy, I probably won't go in depth in the book that I'm reviewing, but I will check that it is offering good information, that it has good spelling, that it's properly formatted, that it is well designed. There are so many factors, but I feel that if a book deserves 5 stars, which they usually do, I provide a very honest review. What you need to do is just check out the book and be very honest about how you feel about the book and everything. But I also must say, if the book is really bad, don't give that person 1 star. Really don't. It's better for them to find out themselves when somebody else in the world reviews it. If you're using Gemsy, I do believe it's not fair to give a 1 star to your fellow reviewer. Just put the book back. And Gemsy is wonderful because if you didn't like the book, just put it back. Don't review it. Or at least that's my point of view. You don't want to hurt another author. And they will learn that it is bad. Just don't do it through Gemsy. Every day, my library of books that I can review is growing, which I also enjoy. And I even reviewed a book for Dale Roberts, which is awesome. I really like Dale Roberts. He's an Amazon KDP YouTuber that I like to watch if you want to check him out. But it was very exciting to check out one of his books. And as you see, he offers his book as a free download PDF. He doesn't have issues with that. I am not as crazy about that idea, but you do get reviews faster that way. Submitting the PDF will guarantee that your book is free for those that are going to review it, so you will get reviews faster. If you want to review a book, all you have to do is just like, okay, for example, I really like this book. This one's through Kindle Unlimited. In my case, I can't review this because Ironically, I am not subscribed to Kindle Unlimited. I am more of an audiobook person. When you publish your book, you must choose the option Kindle Unlimited. And then the reviewers that have Kindle Unlimited can get your book for free through Kindle Unlimited and provide a review. So that's also a really fast way to get reviews. If you want to choose a book, like for example, I'm going to choose this one. It's free download. And then you click on it, pick a book, and this author in particularly didn't provide a message to readers, but you can provide a message to your readers to motivate them, to say thank you, or even to provide certain instructions that you want for your reviews. Like, for example, I do tell my readers to not create their reviews on AI, to use their own words. I think that's pretty reasonable. The best reviews are the ones that you offer in your own words. So please don't submit the book that you're reviewing to AI and ask it to spit out a review. That is like so unethical and so unfair for the author that you're reviewing for. Don't do that. Here it is. It says download book. So I'm going to put this. I haven't read it yet, but I'm going to cross it out and I'm going to say download. And that allows me to download the PDF. And I put it in this folder, books to review, save, and there we go. So now I have the book and I can check it out. You do have to be careful that when you are providing a review, you wait at least a few hours. And that's the way Gemsy is. And see, here's the warning I was saying. Amazon may not approve your review if you post it immediately after purchasing. So you have to be careful with that. This one I did not purchase, so it might not be an issue. But when you purchase it on Amazon, you definitely have to wait, and I recommend more than 8 hours. I say that you wait at least 1 or 2 days, maybe even more. And if you don't submit that review, well, then that book is taken off your shelf and it goes back to the library where other people can grab it. If by some major cause you were unable to submit your review or you simply forgot, you can still go back to the library and grab it again. It happened to me once and I was so embarrassed, so I grabbed it again and submitted my review. I had already purchased it. I did buy it, so there was no issue in waiting anymore. And once you're done reading the book, you copy the link on Amazon, you go to your browser and you paste the link, and then you just have to scroll to where you can place a review. Here we go. Write a customer review. And then you click there and submit your review. And before you submit your review, I must say, it is important that you copy your review. I made that mistake of not copying it before going back to Gemsy. Go back to Gemsy after submitting your review. Put this, submit review, and then you have to put your name on Amazon, the market on Amazon that you are doing your review in, and then you paste your review here. As you see, for reviewing this book, I am going to get 1,200 gems. And if you didn't like the book, you can cancel the assignment. The third step is to request reviewers for your book. You can choose how you want your book to be reviewed. Your book can be reviewed in 3 ways. You can provide a PDF to the reviewer for free. You can request a review through Kindle Unlimited. Or finally, you can provide a link for a verified purchase. So you get the reviewers to buy your book on Amazon and then submit a review. And as we all know, reviews that come up on Amazon as a verified purchase have extra trust. That is why I prefer my books to be reviewed as an Amazon verified purchase. However, it is harder to get reviews this way because not everyone that's reviewing will be willing to buy your book, especially if it's expensive. At least while you're getting reviews, you should place your book at a very affordable price. Most people put their book at $1, and I don't mean paperback. It would be the Kindle version that you offer at only $1 during the period that you are getting reviews, and you can increase the price later. And yes, many people will say, I am giving my book out for free. Well, guess what? One of the best ways to get your book to blow up is offering it for free. There's the advantages and the disadvantages of offering your book for free. But if you really want to get reviews fast, especially during the first 30 days after you publish your book, you have to put your book either for free or for only $1 or a similar lower price for only a month. And maybe even more if you want more reviews. One thing I have observed is that once you choose the way in which you want to get reviewed, when you request more reviews, they are going to stay within that option. So you can't ask for a Kindle Unlimited review and then ask for a verified purchase review. It's one or the other. So I usually like to ask for one verified purchase review and wait for it to sell, which, like I said, takes a little longer, or I request several Kindle Unlimited reviews. The reviews that I've received so far are very thoughtful and helpful. I really love Gemsy because of all these features. You can get unlimited reviews. You don't have to stand in line. There's no queue. Some of the review platforms out there have queues, which is awful. You have to wait till you get a book assigned or for your book to start getting reviews. There is no fee per review. You only pay one monthly cost and you can get unlimited reviews. You can get a ton of gems reviewing other people's books without having to pay more per month. You can cancel anytime. Support is really good. And of course, the advantages we already know about getting more sales for your book. Unlike other platforms, Gemsy does accept low content books like journals, activity books, coloring books, workbooks, even notebooks. That is an amazing perk because many of the review platforms out there don't offer this. And here's the section of frequently asked questions. If you have any questions, just check them out. They also offer support and they're pretty fast to reply. And most of all, I like that it is not overly saturated. Other review platforms out there are very saturated. They don't let you choose the book that you're going to review. You're assigned a book, which I think sucks, and just feel completely impersonal. Gemsy fosters a community of self-published authors that are dedicated to help each other succeed. I see how this platform is kind of new, but it's growing and getting better every day. If you're ready to publish your book or if you've already published, it doesn't matter if it's been past those 30 days. The moment that you start getting reviews, the more that your book will reach more readers, which is why I decided to create this video, so you have a tool that can help you succeed in Amazon KDP. But if you're ready to take your Amazon KDP journey to the next level, I highly recommend that you get Gemsy. Using my coupon on the screen and in the description, you will get a 30% lifetime discount. So instead of paying full price, you'll be paying 30% less than everybody else. The sooner that you start getting reviews, the faster that your book will start ranking and be shown to more readers. I placed the link in the description so you can get started right away. And I've personally been in touch with Gemsy. They are really good in customer support and communication. I'd like to thank Gemsy for sponsoring this video and for helping me get my book to succeed every day more and more. Remember, every day that your book doesn't get a review is a missed opportunity, both for sales and for the readers, because they're missing out on a wonderful book you made. In the following weeks, I will be publishing the keyword research. Yes, I know you're waiting for it. I am getting it ready. It's in the works. It's being edited right now. But I really wanted to launch today's video so you can get started with at least your reviews for now. The keyword research tool that I use also helped me get my low content books to start selling. Is called Titans Pro by Self-Publishing Titans. So even before I publish that video, you can get the tool, and Self-Publishing Titans provides you a tutorial on how to use it. And if you want to invest in yourself, they also have a course which I took, which is what made my low content books to finally start selling since I followed their advice. I highly recommend it. I'm also writing another book. My previous book was created with a pen name, but my new book I will be creating under my name, and I will be sharing the journey of that book here on YouTube. In my previous videos, I talked about how I got my low content books to start selling and how I ranked my first high content book on the first page of Amazon KDP for the search term that I wanted. Check them out next.